I'm really pleased with the new Howler board. It's essentially a movement-triggered audio delivery device. Nothing revolutionary, but it makes it very easy to add customized sound that's triggered to your display. It can run on 12 volts or 5 volts DC input and contains an onboard amplifier that supplies 3 watts of audio to unpowered speakers. Also has a 3.5mm jack, which can be supplied as line level for audio input to other devices. Mounted on top is the JQ8900. It's the same audio board that I use in my Twitch and Howl boards to store and play audio. One reason I really like the JQ8900 is that it's super easy to upload your own audio. You plug it into your computer with a USB port and then upload whatever sound effect you like and name it 00001.mp3. And then it just works. So I'm going to demonstrate this first with just a small battery-powered speaker using the line level audio output. This would be the same setup you could use to run to a subwoofer or a much larger powered speaker setup system. To sense movement, I'm using the SR602 PIR sensor and about 2 meters of cable, which can hook directly onto the board. I find the SR602 sensor to be really reliable. It works with the voltages that we need. And the form factor is perfect for fitting inside a PVC pipe-based enclosure that I'll show you an example of later in the video. In my haunt, I enclose all of my SR602 sensors inside a PVC enclosure. Looks like this. I'll include a link in the comments to a build video on how I put them together. But it uses some PVC and it protects the sensor from the weather and also, more importantly, narrows the beam down. And so only when somebody crosses exactly where you want them to cross, it sends a trigger. So rather than using a battery-powered speaker or other stereo system, you can also use the onboard 3-watt amplifier and directly hook the board to an unpowered speaker like this. Most of my haunt runs on 12 volts DC. However, sometimes it's nice to have a battery option. In a separate video, I'll show you how I use 3 AA batteries to also power the Howler board.